Hey, hope you're having a great day so far. Today is December 30th, Wednesday, and on this post I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, before finally diving into Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what has changed since the last time I've spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit as of today, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, and I'm sure you guys know if you guys have been watching me already. Bitcoin dominance tells me where the money could be trending into, whether it be Bitcoin or altcoins, generally speaking. Currently, let me zoom in all the way to about the hourly time frame, where there was a rising channel that I was talking about, where Bitcoin dominance did break down from that rising channel pattern, which created quite a bit of trading opportunities for altcoins when it was trending downwards. However, right now it does look like a rounded bottom pattern, or even a possible cup and handle pattern right here. So bullish pattern here. So if this does actually play out on Bitcoin dominance, I'll be a lot more careful in trading altcoins, of course, depending on the trading strategy as well. But there is quite a bit of bearish divergence as well on the even from the hourly time frame up, as we can see here. But there has been bearish divergence on some of these time frames, but they have not played out extensively. So I'll be looking for Bitcoin dominance to actually trend back down for a lot better trading opportunities in altcoins. Now, let's take a look into Bitcoin price action and see what exactly is going on in here. Bitcoin price action here. It does seem like yesterday I have mentioned that there was a symmetrical triangle pattern where I did expect the price action to break out from the apex of the triangle, where the measured target would be about 28.5, 28.6K, actually 29K here. So, but the price action has actually broken out earlier yesterday, and now I do see a possible measured target of about 29.6K, so pretty close to 30K. So let's see if the price action actually gets there, and if this would be a profit-taking area for a lot of these traders, which mean a possible pullback. Okay, so we're going to revisit this tomorrow and see how far this Bitcoin price action goes. Now let's take a look into Algorand, ALGOUSD, and see what exactly has changed since the last time I have spoken. Let's go to the daily time frame, because that was also the time frame I have been emphasizing, and taking a look into this inverse head and shoulders pattern right here, which has been forming since about September, late September, and still running, and has not actually broken out of for quite some time. So I have actually let's go to this inverse head and shoulders pattern real quickly. The measured target here is about a little over 49 cents, and the neckline here is about 36 cents. And as we can see here on the daily time frame, there has still not been any daily candle closes above this inverse head and shoulders pattern and above this neckline of 36 cents here. So getting a daily candle close would be a first confirmation that this is going to be a breakout, and that further upward price action is likely. Okay, so I'm looking for at least a daily candle close above the neckline of about 36 cents here, preferably about 37, 38 cents. That would be a more convincing confirmation to me on the daily time frame. Now, I did mention that I had a position open here at about 37 cents, I think approximately around this candle, and have held my position for quite some time, because I stand by this inverse head and shoulders pattern here that I've been mentioning for quite some time as well. Of course, if there are going to be any price action that could invalidate this pattern, then I would reconsider my position, but we will get to that in a minute. Now, this is what I'm seeing right now. I'm looking for daily candle closes above this neckline, preferably about 37.38 cents. And then 3-day candle closes, as there has not been any 3-day candle closes above the neckline as well. And of course, the weekly time frame as well. So let's talk about the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario, basically what I just said. Let's get some daily candle closes above this neckline, preferably about 37.38 cents. The neckline is at about 36 cents. And then finally working towards candle closes on the 3-day and weekly time frame. This tells me that this is going to be a clean breakout and more upward price action is likely. Always have to consider the downside, of course. The bearish case scenario here, of course, if the price action breaks back down below these daily moving averages, this tells me that this swing is not going to be the swing that breaks this neckline and a possible breakout ensuing. So this is what I'm looking for on the daily time frame. Let's see if the candles here on the daily time frame can keep above these moving averages here. If it does not, this is the bearish case scenario. This tells me that the breakout will be delayed, or this inverse head and shoulders pattern could even be invalidated, and I would need to chart something else. So bearish case scenario number 1, let me reiterate. If the daily candles closes below these daily moving averages again, 200s right here, the 21s right here, and the 50s right here, this would tell me that the breakout will be delayed. What will actually make me want to reconsider this whole pattern right here if we start getting daily candle closes below some of these shoulder closes right here at about 29 cents. This tells me that the next shoulder is going to be it could be lower than the shoulders that are already existing here. This would tell me that I may need to be recharting another pattern, or this could be looking like something else instead that could be more bearish. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.